No.
Oh, no, I'm not going to drop it on you.
Put it on my back.
Oh.
It won't hurt nothing.
I'll stand.
Wait, man.
Well, wait a minute. Let's put that.
Y'all just gonna have to wait. It's not about to engage. So hold on.
If you think you can hold it.
Wait.
I mean, hold it on the target. I ain't talking about holding it.
I'm waiting on him. He's over there hollering, wait, hold it, wait.
What was shooting at? The white bucket?
Yeah, that bucket down there.
Way down there?
Are you ready? No. Well, what are you waiting on?
It's being dumb. It was freezing up and I cut it off.
Well, I got it.
No, it's not dead. I mean, it's not dying.
All right.
Hold on. It's coming on. Wait.
This is not fun
Y'all
times.
didn't tell me.
That's a long way to shoot.
We got all day.
It's coming.
It'd be dark for long.
It's coming.
Son of a dog.
It's coming.
I'm not going to make it longer I wait.
All right, here we go.
Safety's on there. If you don't think you can hold it, I'll just cut the top off.
See that white button way up there? Mama's so
Yep.
close.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm not glad. I put shit in the butt.
I got it from my shoulder up.
Yeah.
Oh no. Low battery's coming, you better hurry.
This is gonna be hilarious.
You move your head up a little bit if you want to. You're good right there.
Daddy just busted that gun. Oh, you dropped his phone.
I don't know if she hit it or not. That one sounded louder than the last one. I think it's a little louder than the other one. I was trying for a dramatic effect.
It don't matter.
I got it.
Yeah, you got it. And
I don't see no damage to the bucket.
I probably didn't go near the bucket.
Nope, no hole. No hole.
I don't see nothing down there.
No hole.
You know what?
I don't think I got another.
Where in the world's Colton and them at?
Another bullet.
Oh!
They're not back there.
They're not back there.